Hey guys, John Vaporonic Technologies here today. We are blasting some brass parts straight from the casting house. These were brand new cast parts. That's the after blast. This is the before. We had 101 of these parts come in. This is the first of many for a job like this. This is an industrial job. This is work you guys can get each and every day to fill time in your machine and pay for that equipment. And you can actually make good money. You guys can make 60 to 70 bucks an hour profit if you price these jobs right. And you always need to run 1 or 2 sample parts to get the time down so you can figure out what you're going to charge per part. But people ask all the time, hey, can you make money? Can you pay the machine back? I want to start a side business. And I've always said yes. This is how I got started into the business, was doing service work. And here we are today. So if you guys need help or have questions on the equipment, please give the sales team a call.